What's up, YouTube? What's up, Facebook? This Mike here with Trushine Cleaning. I'm about to get ready to pressure wash this house behind me. Show you guys the process. Hopefully I can get it done before it starts raining again. It looks like it's trying to clear up, but I'm not really sure. So, as you can see, this is the back side of the house. I'm doing the whole house, but this back side and this side is the worst out of the whole house. But just gonna show you guys a quick little walkthrough. I got all my equipment and everything already set up. I got the orange bucket with my cleaning solution in it. That bucket is just clean water. Got all my attachments and hoses and everything already ran. So as you can see, this side of the house is pretty good. So we're gonna see how this side comes out. So thanks for watching. All right, you guys, showing you guys the finished results of the house. As you guys can see, everything came out great. As you guys can see how this side looked at first. You see this side. I don't really like cleaning those things too much because I don't want to get too much water in the inside of the house. So I kind of left that like that. Other side came out pretty good with just a little mist of water, but this side, it looked like some smoke has came out of there. So here goes the front. Yep.